Hey everyone! Today, we're going to show you how to transform a 2D image into a fully textured 3D model using AI. Whether you're a game developer, 3D artist, or just curious about AI-powered modeling, this tutorial is for you. First, go to Google and search Mesh AI. Create a new account or sign with your social login. Now, click on Image to 3D. Now you can upload your 2D image to make 3D modal. After the image uploaded, click on Generate button. It will take some time to generate the 3D modal. Select Desired Modal to generate texture. This also a previously generated texture. This is the texture which we select to generate. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.